In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music in Lumen5. Adding the right soundtrack can transform your video from good to memorable, guiding the mood and helping your visuals feel cohesive. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're brand new to the platform. Start by making sure you're logged in to Lumen5. Once you're in, you'll be ready to work directly inside your account without any interruptions. If you have multiple workspaces or recent projects, just confirm you're in the correct one before continuing so you don't accidentally edit the wrong video. Next, open your project in the editor. When the editor loads, you'll see your scenes, media, and text laid out with a live preview. Take a quick glance to confirm your content and pacing are close to what you want. Background music supports your message best when your structure is mostly set, so this is a great moment to ensure your visuals feel right before you choose a soundtrack. Now look over to the left sidebar and click on Music. This is your central hub for audio options. The music panel is designed to be straightforward. You can explore tracks, listen to previews, and make a choice that fits your video's tone. If you're ever unsure where to start, think about the emotion you want viewers to feel. Calm, energetic, inspiring, or dramatic, and let that guide your search. Here you can select music from the built-in library or upload your own track. Browsing the library is fast and convenient. You can scan by mood, genre, or keyword, and preview a track to hear how it complements your visuals. As you sample options, notice the tempo and intensity. Short, snappy videos often pair well with upbeat or minimal tracks, while narrative or instructional content tends to shine with subtle, steady rhythms that don't compete with on-screen text or voiceover. If you prefer to use your own music, upload a file you have the rights to use. Choose a clean, high-quality audio file so it sounds professional. After upload, it will appear alongside your other choices, ready to apply. Whether you pick from the library or upload your own, your selected track will attach to the project in the editor, letting you immediately hear how it supports your story. That's all there is to it. By logging in, opening your project, heading to the music section, and selecting or uploading a track, you'll give your video the atmosphere it needs to connect with your audience.